This will be number 3. Pretty much got all the shelving set up.
The National Weather Service has issued a severe thunderstorm warning for the following Pennsylvania counties: Dauphin, Lancaster, Lebanon, and York. Effective until 10 p.m., the National Weather Service and State College Park has issued a severe thunderstorm warning for southeastern Dauphin County, in south-central Pennsylvania, northwestern Lancaster County, in south-central Pennsylvania, southwestern Lebanon County, in south-central Pennsylvania, central York County, in south-central Pennsylvania. Until 10 p.m. Eastern Daylight Time. At 9:15 p.m. Eastern Daylight Time, a severe thunderstorm was located over Elizabethtown, moving northeast at 25 miles per hour. Hazard: 60 miles per hour wind gusts and penny-size hail. Source: radar indicated. Impact: expect damage to roofs, siding, and trees. Locations impacted include Lebanon, Hershey, Elizabethtown, Mountjoy, Palmyra, Anvil, Cornwall, Maytown, Campbelltown, Hallam, Pleasant Hill, and Marietta. This includes the Pennsylvania Turnpike from mile markers 2539. Precautionary/preparedness actions: stay inside a well-built structure and keep away from windows,